Here's a 2008 Lexus RX 350. You've gotta love it. It's a one-owner, extremely low mileage, stunningly beautiful breakwater blue all-wheel drive RX 350. And it's loaded with navigation, a backup camera, and Bluetooth wireless technology. It also features 18-inch alloy wheels, heated leather front seats, rain-sensing wipers, and headlamp washers. Luxury, intelligence, and value, all in one package. It's a Carfax one-owner vehicle, and that means it's a better vehicle for you to buy. Come in today and take it for a test drive before it's gone.
Discover Putnam Lexus today and experience the Putnam Advantage. We're conveniently located off Highway 101 at the Whipple exit in Redwood City, California.